Today we'll be going through the steps of Glayout installation on Ubuntu 22.04. You can install Glayout with 3 steps. First, we have to install Klayout from the package manager. Second, we'll install the Glayout API from PyPy. And lastly, we'll install the OpenPDKs also from PyPy. To start the installation process, we can install Glayout. We'll be using Glayout as our layout editor. Next, we'll install the Glayout API. This can be directly installed from pip. Glayout is built on top of GDS Factory. You can check out their documentation in the description. We also can install the open source PDKs from pip. These are including GF180 and Skywater 130. Here we're installing GF180. You may notice that it'll install the incorrect version of GDS Factory, so make sure to revert that to the correct version. The correct version is 7.7.0.